Lick shots for my niggas in jail. 23 hours in a hole, on life parole. My Jack Mac niggas, octopus wildin'. Closest food they ever gettin' to the city island. I lick shots for COs that hit niggas off the weed and don't care if you bleed. Just mind their business and go the other way. And for the right price, they could get you the yay. I lick shots for my thug ass niggas that'll put something in you. From their car and hit your face through the diner menu. Your body get numb, you swallow your tongue, call for blood. That's the work I do raw. I lick shots for my niggas that's not on tour and gotta hustle to eat. It's the motherfucking way of the streets. Pay attention, lick shots for the hood.